Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. So today is another episode of a keyboard building video, but this is not for me. Actually, I have another build that's coming, but this is actually for my wife. She decided to switch out her current keyboard, which is a full-size keyboard, to a 60% keyboard, and I thought the best place to source for the parts and all is to be on Taobao. So the package finally arrived, and before we get into the build, we're gonna do a quick run through of the parts that we've purchased for the build. So they're actually here. So let's start with the board itself. She decided to go with the NJ68 Max version. Is the one that has 3 connection modes, which is 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and also wired mode. So this is the keyboard that she's gonna use. And then as for the switches, she decided to go with linears. This is the C3 Equalz Tangerine switches. There's 70 here, right? Yeah, so since this one only needs 68 keys anyways, so she has 2 spares. Next, we also purchased PORON foam strips. So these are Japanese PORON foam strips to dampen the sound in the board itself. So this is specifically cut for the NJ68 Max. They gave a free switch puller. We also have the film switches from Equalz as well. And the price of keycaps that she went for is XDA profile. I don't even know what name it is. I know the name in Chinese, but I don't know in English. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you've seen these keycaps before. So just to show you, we actually saw these custom coiled cables that are made to order on Taobao. So we decided to try them out, and the quality is actually really good. I was really surprised, and GX aviators and everything, the coil, tech flex and all. It looks great, honestly. Like, really nice coils and the cable itself. So yeah, so this will be her color. This is cyan, I guess, emerald. But yeah, that is the build for my wife, the NJ68 Max with C3 Equalz Tangerine switches, which are 62 grams, and also the XDA profile keycaps with the custom coiled cable. So I'm gonna pass all of the parts to her for her to build, because she said it'll be more satisfying if she did it herself. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit.